Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you the differences between TikTok Now versus BeReal and which one is better. Now I've been using TikTok Now for 1 day currently and BeReal for a couple of days as well. Now as you can see, TikTok Now, there are some limitations to sharing on TikTok Now based on TikTok's existing safety and privacy practices. So if you're under 18, you won't be able to share your Now to the Explore page, right? Now, anyone under the age of 16 will automatically have a private Now account by default. Now, this is good because TikTok is going to have a better privacy policy, right? So you will have, your kids protected if your kid is, 16 years and you want him to be protected on TikTok, right? Now, if you are over 18 and have the option to share your Now with friends or everyone, you can change that setting. But people who don't follow you or you don't follow back can interact with your posts, right? Having said that, you won't have to start from scratch with your network of followers because TikTok will use your existing friends as your TikTok Now friends, right? So this is everything you need to know about TikTok Now. The rest is exactly the same as BeReal. You post, your BeReal every single day. You post your TikTok Now every single day, right? You share it with your friends, just like on BeReal, or you share it publicly, right? Now, BeReal is basically a standalone app that lets you create an account with your phone number, right? So it then accesses your accounts with your permission to find other friends with BeReal who you can add. You can also search up friends by their username, right? So when you take a BeReal, you can choose whether you want to share it with your friends only or everyone, right? Just like you would do on TikTok Now as well. So if you choose to share it with everyone, your BeReal might appear on discovery page where you can browse people BeReal from across the world. Now you can also opt to turn your location tag on or off, right? If your location is on, people can see where your BeReal was taken on the map. So differences between TikTok Now and BeReal, I think BeReal is a much more I would say UI friendly app than TikTok Now, and it has much more, I would say, features, right? Additional. Here you can see TikTok Now selfie camera as well. It looks good, right? The UI is also, good. And you can see, for BeReal, you already know how that looks like, right? So, yeah, so everything is pretty much the same. As you can see, you can comment and react with real emojis. That's something that I don't think TikTok Now, TikTok Now doesn't have this. So BeReal is much more better in a sense where it has more options. And then you can see obviously TikTok Now and BeReal. I think those are both great apps, but I think BeReal has a lot more to offer. It has a lot more to offer, and overall from using these two apps in a couple of days, I think TikTok Now might be a very, very big competition to BeReal in the future, just like Instagram and Snapchat. But I think BeReal right now has the advantage where it has more options, and you can basically have more options, and you can see you have more features as well, which is awesome, right? So that's pretty much my take on TikTok Now versus BeReal. If you want to know more, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.